to the GCSE Combined Science Trilogy Physics Paper 1 Foundation Tier Walkthrough. Question 1 is about different energy resources, and it's giving us a list of energy resources and it's asking which of these is renewable. Renewable means basically it's not going to run out. So biofuel, we can constantly grow more. Coal, we burn that, and once it's gone, it's gone. Same with gas. Geothermal, we're basically piping water to hot rocks underground. That is not going to run out, whereas nuclear fuel, I think we've got about 160 years left. Uranium. Some non-renewable energy resources are more reliable than others. Which statement correctly describes a reliable resource? So that just means we can predict how much of it we can use. It's predictable. The next part shows us a wind farm, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wind turbines in the wind farm. It tells us that the total power output of the wind farm is 19.6 megawatts, so 19.6 million watts. All of the turbines have the same power, so to work this out we simply do 19.6 megawatts divided by those 7 and it gives us 2.8. So 2.8 megawatts. Give 2 reasons why people might not like having wind turbines near their homes. Well, you could have noise pollution, you could have visual pollution, and you could also say that it's harmful to bird life. So any 2 of those 3 will get you the mark. Figure 2 shows the electricity generated by different energy resources in the UK. The total amount of energy generated was the same, so we've used the same amount of electricity in 2014 and 2015, but the way we've generated it has changed. So let's see what information we can pull from this. So we'll start at the top. Other fuels have remained constant, so that's gone neither up nor down. Renewables has increased by, well, it's gone from 19 to 25, so that's an increase of 6%. Gas remains constant. Coal has decreased by 8%. So coal has decreased by 8%. Sorry, I'm not seeing this. Decreased by 8%. Nuclear has gone from 19% to 21%. That's a 2% increase. Now the effect that this has, if we're not burning as much coal, that means less CO2 sulfur dioxide released, which means less acid rain from the SO2 and less climate change or greenhouse effect. But because we're using more nuclear power, more hazardous waste will be produced. And again, the key to this question is interpreting the diagram and then saying what you think that's going to mean for the environment.